Today in front of me I have DOOGEE X97 Pro, and in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can confirm the authenticity of this device. So first order of business is to take the phone itself and the box or packaging it came in, then open the settings on the phone, scroll all the way down and enter the About Phone category. Then you gotta tap at the model and serial number section and compare the serial number that you have over here with the serial number that is placed at the sticker that you should have at the box. Usually it gets placed at the back of the box, or at its bottom part rather, and find the SN or serial number over here, compare those two and see if they are identical. If they are, you are 100% sure, or rather you can be 100% sure that you are indeed an owner of the original and authentic DOOGEE X97 Pro. Not like I think, or I suppose anybody will forge it anyhow, but I mean, if you would like to be sure, here's the way. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching and bye bye.